today I will be analysis of Windows video, which will be Windows taskbar. Yeah. Yeah. By the way, before we get into the video, I just want to tell you guys that I see you really enjoyed my Windows desktop overview, and I was really excited with the response after posting that video, and I hope to post better videos and more videos like this. I was actually going to post a review on my computer, and then I realized that the quality was far too low because of the camera I was using. The quality was not good enough, and I was like, nah, I'm not gonna post this video. So I'll probably make another video to make up for that one. So but let's continue to the video. To get into Windows taskbar, or sorry, task manager, you just right click on the taskbar, and then you see taskbar settings right here. You can see this like menu. The taskbar settings, this is where we're going to task manager. So go here, and it opens to this app, which basically tells you all the apps that you are using right now. As you can see, I'm using Bandicam, Google Chrome, and Task Manager. The purpose of this video is to tell you how your computer works behind the scenes, what you don't realize. So it just tells you the CPU you're using, the percentage memory, the disk, and it also tells you if you're using network, the power usage, and all that. You can see that some apps are running in the background, but you can notice that the CPU, they are basically zero because they are not I'm not running them right now, but they are using up memory. And yeah, you can see I have like a lot of apps in the background, apps I didn't even really know about. Yeah, right back. And yeah, in Windows processes, you can see that desktop window manager is open. You can always notice that the memory is on, like is working and all that. Yeah, and you can also tell that which is using which disk, memory on the CPU. You can see that memory is taking more of the space because that is what is mostly used because of the RAM. Yeah, the RAM always works in the background anyway. Okay, so if you go to performance, you can take performance of your computer right here. It's showing you the capacity, the type. I don't use an SSD computer. I use a HDD. It's a pretty old computer. It's a Intel Core 2 Duo. Yeah, so it's showing let me just go to the CPU. Yes, that was a little mistake there. If you double tap, you can also to keep it at a particular part, so you don't have to see this entire thing. Just double tap on it. Yeah. What? I'm not watching TV. It's gonna stop me. Yeah. So if you can see, if you come to this particular page, you can also see the name of the processor. Yeah. The utilization, the speed, and how long it has been up, basically. Yeah. So even the memory as well. Oops, I have to stop using that. Even the memory, you can see yeah, you can tell that it's not really basically doing anything. But if you look toward at this side right here, you can see that there's a little bump that is moving at this side, but you might not see it. So yeah, so app history, tell you the CPU time, but like I said, these are all running in the background, or most of them are running in the background. Yeah. And yeah, I still want to thank you guys for 19 subscribers. Yeah, it has been really great to work with you guys so far, and we can get to 500 subscribers. And to make that possible, please subscribe to this YouTube channel for more awesome content like this. If you are obviously if you are finding it helpful. Yeah, so if you also go to users, and probably I'm only the only user here, you can see that the application frame host is using 0%, but Bandicam is using the highest, because that's what I'm using to record rather right now. Okay, also see the details, especially touch the username, the CPU, memory. So what this video is basically about is just to show you the Windows Manager. If you think that your computer is too slow, or yeah, you can just go to the performance. Stop doing that. Just go to the performance. If you go to the CPU, and then you should see utilization, the speed, tell you if it's really slow. And in a future video, in the next video to be precise, I will be showing you a proven process to speed up your Windows computer. Yeah, so that's basically it for task manager. It's just basic options that are here. Yeah, pretty basic. If you really wanted to know the way your computer runs, the CPU, memory, the disk, and all that, then please come here. Yeah, so you've seen how Windows Task Manager works, and if you found this video helpful, please don't forget to subscribe and like this video and share it to someone if they will also find it helpful. Thank you guys again for 90 subscribers. Keep growing strong to build up this community, and catch you